Book of Heaven, Volume 12, October 16th, 1918. He predicts wars and the lot of some countries. I was feeling very afflicted because of the privation of my lovable Jesus, and my mind was gloomed by the thought that everything in me had been either the crafting of my fantasy or of the enemy. Rumors circulate of peace and triumph for Italy, while I remembered that my sweet Jesus had told me that Italy will be humiliated. What pain, what mortal agony, to think that my life was a continuous deception. I felt that Jesus wanted to speak to me, and I did not want to hear him. I rejected him. I fought for 3 days with Jesus, and many times I was so exhausted that I did not have the strength to reject him. And then Jesus would speak and speak, and I, drawing strength from his speaking, would say to him, "I don't want to know anything." Finally, Jesus surrounded my neck with his arm and said to me,
Calm yourself, calm yourself. It is I. Listen to me. Don't you remember that months ago, as you were lamenting to me for poor Italy, I said to you, my daughter, those who win lose, those who lose win? Italy, France have already been humiliated and won't be again until they are purged and have returned to me, free, independent, and peaceful. In the triumph merely apparent which they enjoy, they already suffer the greatest of humiliations. Not themselves, but a foreigner, not even European, came to drive the enemy away. So if this could be called a triumph, which it is not, it is of the foreigner. But this is nothing. Now, more than ever, they lose more, in moral things as much as in the temporal, because this will make them dispose themselves to committing greater crimes, to fierce internal revolutions, such as to surpass the very tragedy of the war. And besides, what I told you did not regard only the present times, but also the future, and what will not happen now will happen then. And if anyone will raise difficulties and doubts, it means that he knows little about my way of speaking. My speaking is eternal, as I am. Now I want to tell you something consoling. Italy, France now win and Germany loses. All nations have some black stains, and all of them deserve humiliations and crushings. There will be a general uproar, confusion everywhere, by the sword, by fire and by water, by sudden deaths, by contagious diseases. I will renew the world. I will make new things. The nations will form a sort of Tower of Babel. They will reach the point of being unable even to understand one another. The peoples will rebel among themselves. They will no longer want kings. All will be humiliated, and peace will come only from me. And if you hear them say peace, it will not be true, but apparent. Once I have purged everything, I will place my finger in a surprising way, and will give the true peace. And then, all those who are humiliated will return to me, and Germany will be Catholic. I have great designs upon her. England, Russia, and every place where blood was shed will rise again to faith and will be incorporated into my church. There will be the great triumph and the union of peoples. Therefore pray, and it takes patience, because this will not be so soon, but it will take time.